Hello, this is Karl with frugalberry.com. Today I'm going to show you how to replace a watch band. Now the first thing we're going to do is take a look at how you measure a new watch band. And in this case, this is an old watch. Probably should have cleaned it up a little bit more for this video, but you can see that the distance between, of course this is the back of the watch, the distance where the watch band goes in here, the distance between there, of course it's measured in millimeters. This is 19 millimeters. So I would want to look for a watch band that said 19 millimeters on it. So that's how you know what size you want. And let's just take a look at another watch here. And this one would measure, it looks like 14 millimeters there. So 14 millimeters on this one and 19 millimeters on this one. Now what I'm going to do today is replace a existing, this is my current watch. Now what happens with these is they get brittle over time, and they start to have the same shape all the time, and after a while I like to get a new band. This one, these are El Cheapo bands, and they cost about I don't know, $6-7 on Amazon. So with this style watch, I don't know if you can see it or not, but there's a hole on the outside of the casing here where the pin goes through. And so this watch has a different style pin than your traditional. This is a spring pin here, and hopefully you can see that is springing there. So normally this would fit inside here. There's a hole on this side that it goes into, and there's a hole on this side that it goes into, and you just kind of spring it in place to pop it in there. And I'll show you here. Let me move this watch out of the way, just so you can see what's happening here. You just kind of push that in, and then make sure that it lines up with the hole, and now that's in place. And if the watch band were on here, it wouldn't go anywhere. So what we're going to be doing with this one, there is actually a spring bar on this side, but on this side, since I've worked with this watch quite a bit, there is a pin in place, and there's a small side and a large side. You want to push on the small side with a paper clip, and out pops the pin, and off comes the band. So now we've got our new watch band, and now the part with the buckle always goes on the top of the watch, and you want to pay attention to which is the top and the bottom side of the band. So I'm going to just take this and push this pin back through here with the new band in place, and use my paper clip to push that pin back in place. And that's it. That's all there is to it for that side. Now, this is not what you traditionally see in watches. Most watches have, like I say, these spring bars. And so I'm going to show you how to work with them. Now, they do make a spring bar tool, which is a lot like a jeweler's screwdriver, that has a little notch in the end of it. You can buy them. Most people don't have them, and I don't I don't think it's necessary to have one myself. I either use a jeweler's screwdriver or, okay, I just got that off. Oh, I thought I had it off. Okay. Or a pocket knife. And it's just a matter of popping that pin out. Sometimes it's easier on a different side. There we go. Okay, so we got that off of there. And so now we can reuse this pin or the spring bar, or we can use a new one that came with the new watch band. Usually the new watch band will come with replacement spring bars. So I'm going to take this and put this in here and push that just like that. And now just to see how this, or just to show how this works, I'm going to, we've got the one side in over here, and I'm just going to take something. You could do this with a paper clip. In fact, I'll use a paper clip and straighten it out a little bit here. And press on that, and in it goes. And you can hear it snap. Sometimes you need to wiggle it around a little bit in order to get it in place. And there we are. New watch band is in place. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to leave a comment. And thanks for watching. Take care. Bye.